Can Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces cause vibration? People worry that the Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces may cause vibration. In fact, high-quality Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces will not cause any vibration. If there is a sudden sign of vibration, it is strongly recommended to have a check. The fitness of the Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces and the tightness of the lug nut are the two first factors you should focus on. If you make everything right, there should be no vibration issue. Most vibration problems are balanced on lug-centric Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces. A lug-centric spaces mean there is a big hole in the middle. The lug holes are also made larger to fit the variety of vehicles. Without a snug fit, these spaces are centered on the vehicle hubs only by wheel studs. If you are using these spaces, there is a high risk of vibration. In this case, well-produced hub-centric Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces will be the easiest solutions. As long as you use quality Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces and install them correctly, they will be safe and reliable. Since the wheel studs and lug nuts use a clamping force to secure the Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces and wheels, if the studs or lug nuts are not strong enough to support these forces, they will likely be bent by road impact. The provide wheel studs of BONOSS Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces are made of high-strength forged SDM 440 alloy steel. They have achieved ISO standard grade 12.9. With high strength, your Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces will bear more forces without breaking. Hub-centric Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces keep the wheel centered and balanced on the vehicle hub while driving. After the spacer and wheel are properly torqued, the hub-centric rings cover the gap between the center bolt of the wheels to the hubs of the vehicle. Thus, hub-centric Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces are important because they ensure that the wheels are perfectly secure on the vehicle. This helps to prevent any kind of vibration issue. BONOSS Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces are designed with better multi-stage hub-centric design. The hub-centric memory is machined to be multi-layers, and the bevels fit the corresponding hub flange, which eliminate any possible gaps. Besides, they are CNC machined with precision at 0.02 mm tolerance. This improves the fit and functionality of spaces. Since Land Rover Discovery wheel spaces are components that can touch other parts, you absolutely need tight, tolerant ones.